In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off quick access suggestions in Google Drive. Quick access suggestions are those file cards Google Drive shows based on what it thinks you'll need next. They appear at the top of the main Drive page and can be handy, but they can also get in the way. Google used to offer a switch in settings to turn these off entirely, but that option has been removed. So in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple workaround that lets you tell Drive when a suggestion isn't useful, which helps clean up what you see. First, log into Google Drive in your web browser. Go to drive.google.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Drive homepage. Look toward the top of the page for the row of suggested files. This section is sometimes labeled suggested or just appears as a strip of file cards across the top. These are the quick access suggestions we're focusing on. Find a suggested file you don't want to keep seeing. Hover your mouse over that suggestion and right-click it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. On some keyboards, holding Control while clicking will open the menu as well. In that menu, look for the option that says Not a Helpful Suggestion and click it. When you select Not a Helpful Suggestion, Drive hides that particular recommendation and uses your feedback to improve what it shows you in the future. This doesn't delete the file, change its permissions, or remove it from your folders. You're simply telling Drive that this specific suggestion isn't useful. If there are multiple suggestions you don't want, repeat the same action on each one. Right-click the item and choose Not a Helpful Suggestion. Because the global setting to disable suggestions has been removed, this item-by-item approach is the current best method. It's a quick way to reduce the noise and keep the top of your drive focused on files that actually matter to you. If you don't see the suggestions row right away, try scrolling to the top of your main Drive page or widening your browser window so the cards have room to display. If the Not a Helpful Suggestion option doesn't appear on a particular item, try another suggested file or refresh the page, as the interface can vary slightly. That's it. You've signed in, located the suggestions, right-clicked an item, and marked it as not a helpful suggestion. Until Google brings back a universal switch, this simple workaround helps keep your drive cleaner and more relevant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workspace.